Hello everybody. Hello everybody. This is Coach. And today this is my baby Brenda. He is such a nerd. Grayson, can I please play on the Xbox? I'll do anything.
No.
I'll do anything.
No.
Please, anything.
No.
I'll give you my iPad.
No.
Why can't you can play this on? You can watch this on the iPad. You can watch this on the iPad, Grayson. You can watch it on the iPad.
No.
Why?
Because you're stupid.
What did I do? What did I do?
Dude, stop it.
What the? How am I stupid? How am I stupid? How am I stupid? How am I stupid? Okay, we're gonna watch Grayson sleep. You're not You're not sleeping. You're a liar. Oh, hi, Dad. Hey, it's just. That's it. We all know Thomas. We all know Terraria. I have a friend called Thomas. He is in Terraria. He loves Terraria just like me. Yet, tell me on the subscriptions. Who do you like best? Who do you like the best? Please subscribe on my channel. Who do you like the best? Jacksepticeye or Messy Self? The beat. Fresh. Dun 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 dun.